Okay. Okay, so now to wrap up our note from today, this is the last example here. So in this one, we also want to get the least change back using the fewest coins, but we're imagining too, our pockets are really heavy. We've got a lot of coins in there. So we want to also use up the most amount of coins we can when we're giving it to the cashier, just to kind of lighten up our pockets a bit. So we're imagining that we're buying something that costs $3.65, and what's in our pocket is over here to the left, or sorry, to the right. So we see we've got 2 toonies, 2 loonies, 3 quarters, and 3 dimes. So you can't drag and drop those. That's just a picture to remind us what we have in our pocket. And then if you're following along with me, you can drag and drop the pictures of the coins kind of above there. So we want to figure out what we should give the cashier. So it needs to equal $3.65, but we're hoping to use as many coins as we can. So I know to get the $3, I've got to use this. If I had 3 loonies, I could have used all 3, and that would have been even getting rid of more coins from my pocket, but I don't. So I'm going to for sure have to use a toonie and a loonie. And now to make that 65 cents, you may think, okay, I'll use 3 quarters and that gives me 75 cents. But there's a way we can actually use up more coins to lighten our pocket a bit. So we're going to use 2 quarters. Oops, sorry, I'm dragging from the wrong thing here. 2 quarters. So now we're at 50 cents. And I still now have 3 dimes. So I'm going to actually use 2 dimes. So that's a lot better than just using 3 quarters, because now I've used 4 different coins to make up that 65 or more cents. So in this case, I've made up 70 cents. So that's more than the cost of whatever it is we're purchasing. So that's what we need to give to the cashier. And then they'll give us a little bit of change back. So we've now given them, let's total this up, $3.70. So we know that it costed, let's see here, I'll highlight it for us, $3.65. So to figure out from $3.65 to get to $3.70, we know our only change back is just going to be a nickel. And if we want to write it out in dollar form, we can. So we only get 5 cents back that way. So we've used up 6 coins and now we're just getting 1 coin back. So we've really lightened up our pockets a lot.